It's the time for the package from China. Let's go! Welcome back to a new video. And in today's video we are going to talk about not a typical mini Sega clone. No, we are going to talk about some the Alien Tag System from China. So I'm going to give you a little bit of an overview. What are we going to get within this package? We are getting here an S-video cable that they are also using with the Mega Drive 2. It only has mono sound, so there's a little bit of a bummer. And of course it comes with a piece of toilet paper manual with not really very good information. The piece of toilet paper got two sides printed with some basic explanation how to connect. Bummer. The system comes with two of these controllers, Mega, and they feel really light and got those wiggly buttons. I think this is one of the cheapest controller I ever felt. Horrible button response, so let's test them out. This system is coming with a just 5-volt adapter. I'm going to need a little converter because it was not included in this package. So for the last part we are going to take a close look at the system itself. This thing smells like chemical plastic, so I'm getting high when I'm making this review. It's really cheap. It got a really cheap clickish buttons. It has almost no weight to it. Here we have the connectors for powering it on. What makes it unique, this one got the original port. We're going to test out some games, original games. I tried to get my hands on some homebrew games, multi-cards, and an EverDrive. Alright, let's plug it in television and let's see what we're going to get. And our friends from China got a little surprise for us because this thing got even some built-in games. Alright, what are we going to get? It seems to be we're having some pretty weird games. Hey, we got Sonic 1. Let's see what happens. Wow! Sounds promising. The D-pad feels fucking flimsy. But oh my... Music is really slow. Of course the sound's a little bit off, but... And today we are going to play Omega Race. Okay, whatever. Toy Sonic. Toy Sonic. What is Toy Sonic? Oh, now I'm curious. What a bullshit. Spider Sonic. Spider Sonic. Let's see, what's Spider Sonic? Oh, man. Clicky button. It's just Sonic the Hedgehog 1. Oh my god. No, nothing. No homebrew hack or something like that. Alright, what's more of this thing? Let's see. What do we have? New soccer. It's repeating. So in other words, it's just more like a 10 and 1 or something like that. Alright, let's try out some games. Alright, this thing is compatible with the... with the China Mini Alien Tech 16-bit power system. Alright, let's try some Street of Rage 2. The funny thing is, this is Japanese region because, by the way, it's running on turbo mode and music, but it's, if I'm putting this cartridge in my Mega Drive PAL, it's getting the PAL version, so that is pretty funny. But this problem is nothing to do with the system itself, it's more like with the multi-card. Alright, let's play Sonic 2. The funny thing is about this controller, when holding it in my hand, it feels really cheap, but it plays great. No input lag, so for a cheap controller, not bad at all. The default is very responsive. Alright, turbo mode. The sound is still a little bit off, but right. And it's even compatible with original games, and this is Sonic 3 and Knuckles, so you need to make that combination of the two cards. I can still play this game all day long. So for the final conclusion about the alien system from China, I must say, I'm surprised with this little thing. This little chemical Mega 16-bit system. It supports original games, even Sonic 3 and Knuckles. So that is pretty damn unique if you ask me. It supports multi-game cards, so that is really awesome. And yeah, but it doesn't support the Mega Drive series or the EverDrive for loading up ROMs into your system. So keep that one in mind. So you're limited to original games and multi-game card games. It got some built-in games, but yeah, forget about the part. Really horrible games. Yeah, Sonic 1 is cool, but the rest of the games are just basic crap. The controller feels really flimsy, but it plays good. It plays well. You connect your original controllers on it if you like. In overall, I really think it's a really cool thing to have in your collection. Let me know think, what do you think of this? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the little bell because you get notified for upcoming videos, and see you next time. Bye bye!